Can you use a Ps4 controller to play Brawl Stars on iPhone? Yes, you can play Brawl Stars on your iPhone using a Ps4 or a DualShock 4 controller. You'll need to pair it via Bluetooth and optionally use button mapping apps to improve control. Now here's how you can set it up. Step 1. Make sure your controller is compatible. Use a Bluetooth-enabled DualShock 4 controller that works with iOS. iOS 13 and later generally support it. Step 2. Connect the controller to your iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. On your Ps4 controller, hold the PS button plus share button together until the light bar starts linking. Your controller should appear in the iPhone's Bluetooth list. Tap it to connect. Once connected, the light bar on your controller will stay lit. Step 3. Launch Brawl Stars. Open the Brawl Stars app. The game should detect the controller, letting you use it to move and perform actions. And an optional step, use button mapping tools. Since Brawl Stars doesn't natively support controllers on iOS, you can use apps like Mantis Gamepad to customize button layouts for smoother gameplay. Important reminders: this method uses official features only. No jailbreaking and no hacks. It complies fully with YouTube's terms of service and respects the game's rules. Do not use any unauthorized tools or cheat software. Doing so may violate Brawl Stars terms and risk your account. And that would be all for today's guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.